To find the once human miracle tea recipe location in 2025, start by understanding the context of the game or platform where this recipe is located. Once Human is likely a game or a virtual environment where players can explore and discover various items, including recipes. The miracle tea recipe is a specific item that can be used to create a beneficial tea, possibly providing health boosts or other advantages. To locate this recipe, follow these steps. First, ensure you have access to the game or platform where Once Human is available. Log into your account and enter the game environment. Navigate to the area where recipes or items are typically found, such as a market, a crafting menu, or a treasure chest. Search for any clues or hints that might lead you to the miracle tea recipe. This could include talking to non-playable characters, reading signs or notices, or solving puzzles. If the recipe is not immediately available, you may need to complete certain tasks or achieve specific milestones to unlock it. Check your progress and any pending quests or missions that might reward the recipe upon completion. Once you have located the miracle tea recipe, take note of its ingredients and any instructions provided. The recipe might require rare or specific items, so be prepared to gather these before you can craft the tea. Finally, follow the recipe to craft the miracle tea and enjoy its benefits. Remember to save your progress and keep the recipe in a safe place for future reference. By following these steps and staying focused on your goal, you should be able to find the Once Human miracle tea recipe location and start enjoying its advantages in the game.